With the new year, there are typically new goals. Is one of yours buying a home? Whether you're a new buyer or a seller wanting a replacement property, buying a new home in 2025 is very exciting. So how do you make that dream a reality? Here's some quick tips to get you started. Hi, I'm Tanja, Odzak, eXp Realty. I love helping people. I'm a senior level realtor and help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. The first tip is to focus on your why. Why do you want to move in the first place? Maybe you need more space, want to downsize, or it's finally time to buy your first home. Your why will keep you motivated and focused. You then want to get clear on your needs. That means making a list of your must-haves, your nice-to-haves, or your not in the budget thing. Is a home office or a big backyard with a great school an essential? Knowing your priorities helps you and your agent focus on the right homes, especially if you're working with a tight budget. Then you need to know your numbers. You need to take a close look at your finances. How much have you saved? What monthly payment feels right? Work with a lender to plan your down payment, explore assistance programs, and get pre-approved so you're ready to make an offer when you find that perfect home that you've been searching for. Finally, always lean on a professional. Partnering with an experienced agent is crucial to help you make the right and informed decisions. We have the knowledge and experience to guide you through every step from planning, negotiations, and to closing. I know the current market conditions, pricing trends, and inventory in the neighborhoods you want. Buying or selling a home is a big milestone, and with the right support, it's one that you can achieve this year. Call me today and let's talk about it. I'm a seasoned East Bay expert with the 5-star rating. I'd love to help you along this journey and make your 2025 real estate goals a reality. And if you or someone you know needs to sell a home, ask me about my home selling plans. I took the pain out of negotiating with a realtor and made it super simple. Really, choose silver, gold, or platinum. Pick your plan, pick your price. Terms apply. I'm Tanja. I sell homes. Let's get you going. Call me today.